Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set different tax or VAT for different product in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have two product in cart. Now you see organic product, IMF product. So we are going to assign different tax rate or VAT rate for different product in Wix store. Now you see subtotal and then you see tax 0. So we are going to add it different tax to different product. Now go to Wix dashboard and we are in setting and then you see tax. So click on it. So first we are going to create tax group. Now you see tax location not created yet. And then you see tax setting. Now select tax should be added at checkout or cart page. And then you see tax group. By default we have one group that assign on all our product. So we are going to create custom group. Now you see add custom group. So click on it. Now you see pop up add a new group. You will need to assign this group to the items that need special rates. So we are going to assign different tax or VAT for different product. Now you see group name. So you can add according to requirement. So we added name organic tax group. So click on add. Now add it. Now you see 0 product. So you can assign product from here or you can open or edit product, then you can assign tax group. So there are two ways to assign it. Now go to product section. So this is our first way. Now you see product. So open any product. So we are in organic product and then you see advanced product tax group. Now you see product default rate. So this assign auto for all our product. Now click on it. So this is our new custom group. Now you see if you want you can select here and then click on save, or another way is back to setting. Now you see group name. When we hover on it, then you see add product. So click on it. Now you see all product. So you can search by name. Now you see product name and then you see group. Now select organic product. So we select one and then click on save. If you want you can add more. Now you see organic tax group, one product in it. Now go to product page again. Now you see organic tax group. Now refresh the page. Now you see after refresh the page, group assign from backend. Now you see product tax group, organic tax group. We assign from here. If you want you can create more group. So it's up to you and then you can assign according to requirement to different product. Now we are going to add location. Add it. Now select Pakistan. Our location is Pakistan. So you can add many countries according to requirement and then click on add. So we are in tax Pakistan product. Now you see we have two product. Organic tax group we created and this is our default. So we are going to assign default 5% and we are going to assign organic tax group 10%. Remaining if you want you can assign. Now make it 0. Also you see advanced mode. So click on it. Now you see we added rate name tax and then click on save. So after that we are going to check. Now you see settings saved. Go to cart page. So we have two product. One from organic tax group, one for default. Now refresh the page. Now you see subtotal 105 and then you see tax 6.25. So one product has 5% and one product has 6%. We assign using tax group in Wix store. So in this way you can assign different tax for different product in Wix store. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.